Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin fish in a factory. We'll cover the entire journey, from the moment fresh fish arrive at the plant to the final sealed product ready for shelves. This guide will walk you through each critical step, ensuring you understand the precision and care involved in producing high-quality tinned fish. Get ready to explore the fascinating world of modern fish canning. After initial preparation, the fish undergo a crucial cooking phase. This often involves steaming or frying, which helps to firm the flesh and enhance its natural flavors. The cooking process is carefully controlled to achieve the perfect texture. Once cooked, the fish are gently cooled, preparing them for the next stage of being meticulously placed into their individual cans. Now, the cooled fish are carefully packed into cans, either by hand for delicate varieties or using automated systems for efficiency. A flavorful liquid, such as olive oil, sunflower oil, or a seasoned brine, is then added to fill the can. This liquid helps preserve the fish and adds to its taste. Finally, the cans are hermetically sealed, creating an airtight environment essential for long-term preservation. The sealed cans are then subjected to a critical sterilization process, typically using high-pressure steam in large retorts. This intense heat treatment, often around 250 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively destroys any remaining microorganisms, making the product safe for consumption and extending its shelf life for years. Before distribution, every batch undergoes strict quality control checks to ensure product integrity and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.